entire crew, I'd like to welcome you to Gatwick. The time just gone 10 minutes to 2 in the afternoon. We've arrived about just over 15 minutes early by the time we go stand. I'd like to remind you this time, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has reached the stand and the captain has switched off the seatbelt signs. Once we've reached our stand, please do be careful opening up the overhead lockers. Items may have moved during the course of the flight and they could fall out. Before you disembark the aircraft, please do check in the seat pocket in front of you and around the seating area, just to make sure you have all your personal belongings. A polite reminder that smoking is not permitted until you've reached the designated smoking area outside the terminal building. We genuinely would like to thank you very much for choosing to fly with easyJet today. Once we get onto our stand today, we will be disembarking the aircraft slightly different to what you may have been used to pre-pandemic, to maintain some kind of social distancing as you get up and get off the aircraft and make your way through the terminal. We are going to be disembarking the aircraft row by row. Now this is a slightly slower process than you may have been used to, and we know there is an urge to jump up and get all your bags out of the overhead lockers. We're going to ask you to fight that urge and remain seated. So please do remain seated even when the seatbelt signs go off. Once you see the front row disembarking, it'll be a row by row basis, so when you see the row in front of you disembark, you may then stand up and make your way. Once again, we do know that it's a slightly slower process, but at least it does give that social distancing, and it is for your own benefit by doing this. So please, once again, do remain seated in your seats until the row in front of you disembarks. On behalf of myself and the entire crew, I'd like to wish you a safe and pleasant journey.